Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Bing search is not working, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to check if our internet speed is good enough or if there are any issues with the internet. So we'll open the browser and we will look for a site like fast.com which will give us the internet speed. And if our internet speed is 20 megabytes per second or below 20, then we need to contact the internet service provider because there are some issues with the connection. Now the second thing we need to do is check whether the Bing server is down or not. For that we'll need to search for Bing server status and we will go to the Microsoft site, service status, and check if the service is down. So all the services are good, that shouldn't be the issue. The next thing we will do is we will go to the task manager and kill the Bing search bar. So if you find Bing here, okay, here if you find Bing search services, then click on it and click on end task and then restart Edge and you can search and it should work. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.